All right, here's a question. Permutation, combination, how many ways can you do something? Question. So they say how many distinguishable ways, so order matters, in which you can rearrange starter. So the issue with starter is that there's repeaters. So there's two T's and there's two R's. I think those are the only repeaters. So to rearrange 7 letters, you can say that that's 7, pick 7, but that should be the same as 7 factorial. So if you have 7 ways, 7 things to rearrange, 7 factorial, or 7 pick 7, both those should be the same. But if you have repeating letters, then and they're non-distinguishable ways or non-distinguishable letters, like you can't tell the R from the R, so they're the same thing. So that decreases how many arrangements you have. And what you do is you just divide by how many are repeating. For starter, I'd say it's 7 factorial divided by, there's 2 T's, so I divide that by 2 factorial. That's for the T's. And 2 factorial for the R's. Okay, let's just do that in decimals quick. Okay, let me move that down. Here we go. Okay, so 7 factorial. 7, where's my factorial button? Did I miss it? Oh, right there. So 5,040, that'll be how many ways you can rearrange 7 things. But then you divide that by 2 factorial for the T's and another 2 factorial for the R's. So the answer should be 1260, 1,260. I'd go with that one. All right, hopefully that helps you with that question.